What's up, you guys? So I just created this spring Easter-ish kind of makeup look. So it looks like. And if you want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching. And if you do like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, let's get right into it. I'm going to be using the Mario, I don't know how to say it, facial spray. And you just squirt it all over your face. Using this. I thought it was the Cetaphil lotion, but it's the off-brand, which works just as fine. Then I'm gonna go right to my eyebrows, and I'm gonna be using the Anastasia Dip Brow. I just got this like yesterday. Then I'm using this old eyebrow pencil. Then I'm using Sonia Kashuk's angled brush. This is my cousin, so if you're watching this, sorry. Then I'm taking Sonia Kashuk and this kind of brush to conceal my eyebrows. Yeah. Using the NYX Ultimate eyeshadow palette. Yeah. In Brights. That's what I was looking for. On this Shadow Insurance first. Ew, what the frick?
Yeah. What you thinking? You think that you could be better off with somebody new? No.
I brush like this. I'm taking this lavender color.
Oh baby, no. You say you're leaving. Well, if you wanna leave, there ain't nobody stopping you. No, oh baby, no. I won't beg for your love. Won't say
Pink color here. And you want to place this like right there without covering the purple.
please. I won't fall to the ground on my knees. You know I've given this.
I take a big old fluffy brush with nothing on it and just blend it all together.
Everything, baby, honest.
Then going back to that lavender purple color with the blending brush, you're just going to take some of that and reapply it.
Baby, honestly, I love.
And then you just want to keep building the color until you are satisfied. So yellow here, small brush like this, and you're going to put this on the lash line, lower lash line.
For you, baby, die for you, baby, cry for you, baby, but tell me what you've done for me, for you, baby, and all.
This purple, and I'm just going to be putting this in the outer corners and blending it in with a fluffy brushy thing.
Only you, baby, the things I do, baby, but tell me.
Then I'm going to be taking my glitter glue from Too Faced. I'm going to brush like this, putting it right in the center there.
What you've done for me.
I never cheated, deleted everyone.
Taking a eyeshadow brush. I'm going to be taking Spectrum and Element out of my Moon Dust palette.
Cause they made you uncomfortable. No, baby, no. These
Just going to go back and touch up and blend the colors in together more. Taking that hot pink again.
accusations. I can't apologize for something that I didn't do. No.
I'm going in with my L'Oreal True Match Liquid Glow Illuminator. I love this baby. Oh, this is in the color Ice Glaze. So I just take like a little that size and pop it on my cheek.
Baby, no. I won't beg for your love. Won't say please.
Won't say please.
I won't fall to the ground on my knees.
On my knees.
You know I've given this everything, baby.
I'm going to be taking Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in Spiced Sand in my Booty Blender.
Honestly,
Baby, honestly,
baby, honestly,
I lie for you, baby, die for you, baby, cry
I'm gonna be using the Fit Me by Maybelline concealer in Sand Sable. I think this is too light, but I don't really do concealer shopping very often.
Tell me what you've done for me.
I think that's what you do. Yeah. And I'm taking my beauty blender again, and I'm just gonna be bopping this everywhere.
What you've done for me. You know I've given this everything, baby, honestly. Tell me what you've done for me.
My Cover FX, what is this? Loose powder. And this is a medium. I think this is a little too dark for me, but take one of these bad boys, and I'm just gonna very lightly dust this on my face. And Wild Palette Contour and Highlight. This is actually my very favorite, so I just do that and bob it like this. I'm using a little ink brush like this.
Tell me what you've done for me. Tell me what you've done for me.
Then I'm taking my Too Faced Sweet Peach Glow Peach Infused Highlighting Palette. Blush here with a brush like this.
Yeah. What you thinking?
Then for highlights, I'm gonna be taking the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit. And since this is kind of like a pink look, I am going to be taking the Gumdrop color. It's like a rose gold. It's not fully pink, so it's a nice rose gold. I'm gonna brush like this.
That you could be better off with somebody new. No, oh, baby, no. You say you're leaving. Well, if you wanna leave, there ain't nobody stopping you. No, oh, baby, no. I won't beg for your love.
I'm gonna go back and fix that yellow.
Won't say please. I won't fall to the.
Then I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Prism, and I'm gonna be taking the color Lucid. And I'm gonna be using the same brush we used to line the lower lash line. And with Lucid, we're gonna pop it in our inner corners.
On my knees, you know I've given this everything.
Taking my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'm just gonna put this on my lower lash line. Or on my lower lashes. Not lash line.
Baby, honestly, I lie for you, baby, die for you, baby,
This is the final look.
cry for you, baby, but tell me what you've done for me, for you, baby, and only you, baby, the things.
So for the yellow, I would definitely find a white base or something to put under the lash line, and then put the yellow eyeshadow on just so it's more bright. This is more like a subtle spring makeup look. So yeah, if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you know when my next video will be up. And thanks for watching. Bye guys.